Morning.
Morning.
May I see your CV, please? Okay. All right. Zika Realia Putri, right?
Right.
Okay. Oh. Where is your application letter?
I think I'm very good.
Oh. All right. All right. So I think it's best if we move on to the questions, yeah?
Okay.
All right. First, tell me about yourself.
I recently graduated and I'm still figuring out what kind of developer I want to be.
Okay. What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is I can work for long hours. My weakness is I don't like asking others for help.
Okay. What is success in a job to you?
Success is when I complete my tasks and my manager doesn't complain.
Okay, okay. Hmm. How do you handle stress related to a job?
I try not to think about it. I usually just stay quiet and push through until it's over.
Okay, okay. What do you do if you find a problem in a job?
I usually keep trying random things until something works. If not, I move on and maybe someone else will fix it.
Okay, let's move on to the sixth question. Are you professional?
Yes, I don't talk too much and I just focus on finishing my part.
Okay, so that's the your definition of being professional.
Yes.
Right. Okay. You've talked about your qualities, so why should we hire you?
Because I really need a job right now and I'm willing to do anything you want.
Okay, okay. So that's your reason. Huh. What was the biggest challenge you have ever faced and how did you overcome it?
I once procrastinated on a project and had to do everything in one night. I finished it, but I really stressful.
Stressful. Okay, okay. All right, last question. How do you see yourself in 5 years?
Maybe still in tech, maybe doing something else like opening a business or traveling. I'm not really sure.
Okay, Zika. So I think that sums it all, and uh, those are all just the questions. Is there anything you want to ask?
No, I don't have any question.
No, you don't have. All right, all right. So I guess that's all. Thank you for the your participation. And if you are wondering about the announcement of the result, maybe we could contact you for a few days.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Give me.
I don't know.
Anyway, ma'am.
Morning. Please sit down.
Okay.
Can I see your CV?
Yes.
Okay, Adila and Nisa, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What question are you applying for?
I'm applying for junior software developer.
Tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is Adila Anissa. I recently completed my master's degree in informatics technology from Takong University after I also completed my bachelor's degree in the same major from Polytechnic Complex Real. I've been working as a front-end developer at Tokopedia for the past 2 years, focusing on creating user-friendly interfaces using React.js, Tailwind CSS, and JavaScript. I also have hands-on experience by back-end tools like Laravel and PostgreSQL from my internship at Telkom Indonesia. I'm passionate about using technology to build solutions that serve the public effectively, which is why I'm excited to apply for this role at Kepkominfo. That's all.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
So one of my strengths is my attention to detail and my passion for writing clean, scalable code. I also communicate well in collaborative team environments and enjoy learning new technologies quickly. As for my weaknesses, I used to overfocus on perfecting the front end before moving to the next task or project, but I've learned to manage my time better by setting clear deadlines and goals for each stage of a project.
What is success in job to you?
Okay, to me, success in a job means creating software that's not only functional and efficient, but also useful to the people who rely on it. It's about meeting project goals, collaborative effectively, and continuously growing both technically and professionally.
Okay, Adila, how do you handle stress related to a job?
Okay, for stress related to a job, I try to break the stress down by managing my workload, or I also usually try to take a break and stop doing my projects. Then I would take a break and then proceed to drink some water and eat some snacks. But I usually done it for exactly 15 minutes usually.
Okay, what do you do if you find a job?
Okay.
If you find a problem in a job?
All right. If I find a problem in a job, I usually would start by analyzing the problem, checking logs or error messages if it's a problem in coding, and then I try to reviewing the code line. And if I struggle in doing or solving the problem myself, I would communicate or document the problem or the code first. Then I would tell and communicate and also discuss it with my team members.
Hmm. Adila, are you professional?
Yes, I am. I consider myself professional. To me, professionalism means being reliable, respectful, and accountable. It also means meeting deadlines, communicating clearly, and being committed to delivering high quality work.
So, why should we hire you?
Hmm. Why should I be hired? Because I believe I'm a great fit. And that is because I bring both solid technical skills and a strong work ethic when experienced in modern front end and back end technologies as well as passion for public service. I'm confident I can continue meaningfully to Kemkominfo's mission.
What was the biggest challenge you have ever faced and how did you overcome it?
One of the biggest challenges was during my early days at Tokopedia when I had to do front end projects. When I try to make a design, I have severe problems like miscommunications, and also I struggle by using the tools at first. And how do I overcome it is by me analyzing the problem, and I try to do the problem itself. But if I struggle, I would try to search the problem on trusted media, or if I still struggle to do it, I would, pardon, I would ask the senior developer about the problem itself and ask the solution from them. Okay, that's it.
Okay. How do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself growing it as a full stack developer, ideally taking on more responsibility as a team lead or mentor. I hope to still contributing to meaningful digital transformation in public service and maybe even helping shape national tech initiatives through ChemCominfo.
Oh, okay. That's all I can ask. Do you have any question regarding the company?
Yes. When can I expect to see the announcement of the interview result?
We will contact you next week via our company email contacts.
Okay, I think that's all.
Okay. Is there anything else? No?
No.
Okay, thank you, Adila, for your participation. We will consider it. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day too.
With meme. Approved.